Hey guys, Carl Champley here. I'm going to show you a very simple DIY project that will ultimately save you some big bucks at home. Now it's in the plumbing department. I'm simply going to show you how to solder, or solder in Australia, a copper pipe fitting onto a copper pipe like this. Now at some stage, you're going to have a leaky pipe, or you may want to extend a copper line to get that extra hose bib on the property. So this is a good one to know. First of all, you can see gloves and safety glasses. The first step is that we need to clean the pipe and we need to clean the fitting. Now you can clean the pipe by using 120 or 180 grit sandpaper, or this. This is better. There's a wire brush on the inside. You can get it at a local hardware store. And you'll basically put it on the end of the pipe like that and clean it up nice to where you'll see it's shiny and it's clean. The inside of the fitting needs to be cleaned, and I'm using this brush here. It's also wire. You'll see you insert it in there and you simply spin it around until that's nice and clean. Okay, you see that's nice and shiny inside. The next step is I'm going to use some Bernzomatic flux here. Now flux is like a wax type material, and we're going to apply this generously to the outside of the pipe all the way around like this, and you want to make sure that it's fully coated to the pipe and to the inside of the fitting as well. And again, you want to make sure it's completely coated. The flux enables the solder to have a capillary action effect, so it goes all the way around. So now I can put the two together like this, and the next step's the exciting step. I'm going to use the tool of choice. I've got the Bernzomatic TS4000 here. It's a fantastic tool. Why? Because it's a torch and it's what I need to get the job done. I'm going to be using this with the solder. Okay, this comes in reels. Now, I need to heat the fitting. A lot of people do the pipe. It's incorrect. You have to heat the fitting itself, and the solder will go right at the joint. When it's hot enough, it'll start to melt, and as soon as you see one or two drips, it is done. Okay, so you've got to ensure that you point this in the right direction where you need to go, and we are going to fire the joint, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. So you're heating the joint, you're heating the fitting, and when it's hot enough, you'll notice that this will start to melt. Okay, here we go. You can see it's getting shorter, and I'm waiting for a drip. And there's my drip. You clean it off to make it look like a professional job. And that is it. That's how simple it is. So you've cleaned the pipe, the outside of the pipe, the inside of the fitting, you've applied flux to both sides, and you've soldered it. And again, using a great tool like this from Bernzomatic is the way to go. And I love this too because there's a safety button for kids. We wouldn't put it anywhere near kids, but it doesn't work unless you simply turn it on. So there you go, folks, a project that can hopefully save you some big bucks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your project.